Hello there, it's the Cloud Apps Tutor, and today I'm going to show you very quickly how to upload a Google Slides presentation. So, my context right now is I'm at VIU, Vancouver Island University, and I have to upload a file, a presentation that was completed in Google Slides, and this is what it looks like. So I'm not going to go through the whole presentation for you, but obviously you can see it's been created in Google Slides. How do I upload it? Because as you can see here, I need to attach a file of some kind, and so I need to upload something. I don't have a file because this is entirely in the cloud, right? It's a Google Slides presentation. It lives in the cloud. There's nothing local on my device. So what I want to do here is go to File, and then download as, and then I can choose any of these formats. And we were instructed to convert to a PDF, so I'm going to do that. And then from there, that allows me to save as a PDF wherever I like. And I'm just going to take a moment here to, okay, let's put it here for now. Spiral of Inquiry Presentation, PDF. And then from there, as soon as it's finished downloading, it might take a couple of minutes here. As soon as it's finished, I can go over here and it will, there, it's all done. And I can go into my computer and hit upload. And there's a snail video I made earlier today. Find my file, open, and just make sure it uploads all the way. And there you have it. So it probably would have been helpful if I added my name to the file name, but I know when my advisor looks at this, the file will correspond with my name. So that should be good to go. It's there in PDF. Now I didn't actually look at the file. Let's just make sure it sort of shows up properly. Yep. Yeah, so this will be easy for my advisor to sort of look through and review. That's all I need to see. Whoops. Giving away all my secrets here. And so there it is. There's the PDF. We'll go ahead and hit submit. And there's the confirmation. So yeah, it's as simple as that. Hopefully that video is helpful. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'd be happy to help out further.